easy go.
Hi, hello everyone. Today I am going to show you the unboxing video of my new Boult Freepod. So let's unbox it. Here's the box, and this is the user manual, and this is the product catalog, and this is a warranty card. Then here comes my new Boult Freepod. Here it is, and this is the case, and we have an accessory box. Let's check it what is inside. This is a charging cable and the buds. There are 3 types of buds. One type is in the Freepod and other 2 types are in the cover. Okay, now let's connect it to our phone. Now for connecting you need to on your Bluetooth, then take it this outside, then here it appears Boult Audio Freepod Pro. So click on that and click on pair. Now it's connected, so it's a good one. I'll give you the link in the description. You can buy it. There are 3 colors: black, white and dark blue. So this is the best one at less price. Now I show you the case for this AirPod. This is the case I bought for AirPod. You can connect this hook to this end. I'll put the AirPod in it. Sorry, Freepod. That's all. I'll give you the link for this also in the description. Thank you. Have a nice day.